Hi, my name is Matthew Mlodzienski. I'm a forensic animator here at ARCCA, and I made that little intro you just saw. As a kid, I always thought stuff like cars and engineering were cool. Growing up, I wanted to be an engineer, but then I wound up studying to become an animator. I attended Drexel University, where I received my bachelor's in 3D animation and visual effects. After I graduated, I found ARCCA, and it was a perfect match, letting me combine these two things I'm passionate about, animation and engineering. Something a professor said that stuck with me is I'm not just an animator, I'm a communicator. My job is to communicate ideas and share them with people. All the software and tools you know are just a means to that end. Being a forensic animator, that kind of mindset is essential. We deal with incredibly complex scenarios that need to be broken down for and understood by an audience. Incidents can happen in the blink of an eye, and the cause isn't always obvious. It's one thing to be told how something happens, it's another thing to see it. Every project is different and presents unique challenges that we rise to meet. Being able to tell someone's story, show what they would have seen, explain what happened to them. We take that responsibility very seriously because all too often it's not just a visual, it's about someone's loved one. Here at ARCCA, we have the tools and expertise to create accurate and effective visuals. Our animations are built using proven, peer-reviewed scientific techniques and enhanced with the latest industry technology. Things like weather and lighting can be reconstructed to depict real-world conditions. Detail is everything, and our animators work side by side with experts to make sure that no stone is left unturned. Working digitally lets us rapidly iterate and demonstrate multiple scenarios of an incident. From accident reconstruction to trips and falls, from injury mechanisms to failure analysis, the things that we can create and depict in 3D are nearly endless. With ARCCA, you can be confident knowing that you're backed up by a strong and effective visual. Once again, my name is Matt Mlodzienski. I'm part of the team here at ARCCA Incorporated, and I'd like to help you communicate what matters.